Good morning, students. Today, I'm going to start our second topic, human body. In this chapter, we will study about the different body parts. Let's warm up. This is an activity which is given in the book. You do this activity by your own. It is very easy. You have to write the names of the body parts. Our body has different parts that do different functions. Some parts are outside the body that we can see, whereas others are inside the body that we cannot see. Let us discuss about our body. Our body. Our body is like a machine. It is made up of different parts that help us to perform different functions. They help us to see, think, smell, run, hold, throw, and breathe. The body parts such as hands, brain, legs, stomach, etc. work together for our body. Also, we have 5 sense organs such as eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. All these body parts are called organs. Our body is made up of different parts. Nature has assigned different tasks to different body parts. Our body works like a machine. As machine has many parts which together do a major job. So, human body also has many parts to perform different kinds of work. They help us to see, think, run, eat, laugh, etc. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. You have already studied about them in previous class. Let's talk about body organs. An organ is a part of the body which performs a particular function. Our body consists of many organs. Some organs of our body can be easily seen, much as hands, nose, legs, eyes, ears, etc. These are called external organs. Some other parts such as stomach, brain, liver, and heart are present inside our body and cannot be seen. They are called internal organs. The parts of the human body that help the body perform the functions like playing, working, breathing, eating, digesting, etc. are called organs. On the basis of their location on the human body, the organs can be classified into internal and external organs. External organs. The organs that are present outside the body or the organs that we can see are called external organs such as hand, eyes, nose, mouth, etc. Internal organs. The organs that are present inside our body that we can't see are known as internal organs. For example, brain, liver, heart, lungs, etc. Now, we will study about some important internal organs. The first one is brain. Do you know how we remember things and how we solve problems? Our brain helps us think, remember, solve problems, etc. It is placed inside our head. It is protected by the skull. It is the master organ of our body. It controls every function of our body such as movement, breathing, heartbeats, etc. You can see the picture of brain. How do you remember the way to your friend's house? Where do dreams come from? Your brain is in charge of these things and a lot more. In fact, Your brain is boss of your body. Human brain is covered by a bony structure called skull. It protects the soft and delicate brain inside it. Brain controls all the activities of human body, such as thinking, walking, and even sleeping. The brain receives the message from different parts of the body. The brain quickly understands the message and sends out signals to react accordingly. For example, it tells us our hand to move away quickly if we touch something that's too hot. After listening this example, now you can understand the brain is very important for our body.